welcome to Veda Day 2. Yes, it is 2 days into it, and we're already doing really well.
Mommy, you almost stepped in poop.
I almost stepped in poop?
Yes.
No
Look
way.
at the ground.
Thank God I did not. So anyway, you guys, it is a beautiful day out here. We're at the park. We are in Rhode Island right now, but we live right next to Rhode Island. So yeah, I love this park because it has a bunch of different things that you can do, and it's so beautiful. Right now we're next to this gazebo and the water, and there's swan that swim in here. There they are. We'll show you guys in a second because we're walking over to that gazebo right now. There's a bunch of things that we can't do right now during the pandemic. The park is closed, although I thought I saw that park open recently. Like I thought I saw that I thought I saw a whole bunch of kids in there like a couple of days ago, like a week ago, but maybe I didn't. Look, are those babies? Well, no, they look like toddlers.
Those are ducks.
Look at their babies right there next to it. You see?
Yeah.
Okay, let's walk over there. Be careful because here really is a whole bunch of geese poop. We didn't bring our masks.
Oh boy.
Let's go grab them.
Oh, come on.
We're gonna grab our masks so we can walk over there and be around people in the gazebo. It's so peaceful here. I love coming to the park. They also have a basketball court that is closed. Like we just drove by it, and they unscrewed the damn hoops off the damn backboard. Let's go down here. So they was like, yeah, y'all are not playing basketball. Aiden, come over here. You see how tall that is?
Huh?
You see how tall that is?
Oh,
This is where they usually have the swan boats that we love to ride, and yeah, that's dead now. This wind has officially dropped every single curl that I just had in my hair. Oh my gosh.
Mommy,
I cannot vlog out here.
Mommy, the wind can't even blow me away.
You said it can?
Can't.
And it looked like those geese are having a major meeting. What are they discussing? Oh no.
Ew. Fine, I'll swim the baby.
Where you going? No, right there. Step back up. Oh, smile. It looks like you live here.
Even though it's a pond.
And you're like, welcome. You want a mansion, right?
Yeah.
This could be like the front on the way to your mansion. Back there.
Mommy, you're gonna fall.
I'm a little disappointed that today is the cloudy day. Yeah.
Ooh, mud. What happened? There was water here. Mommy, wasn't there?
Yeah.
Like all the water.
It's low tide, so the water is so low. In here, there's nothing. But I'm pretty sure there was water in here.
Yeah, there was water in here when
Right?
when Demaria and Auntie came over.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was way more water.
It looks a little
Mommy,
suspicious. What?
there's even the thing where the water comes from.
Yeah, it's low tide. So we don't have much water going on
Mommy, can I
in the
jump in?
park today, but that's
Jump
okay.
in? Remember, I think we saw a frog here. Yeah, I think we saw a frog here.
All right, we're going down this path, seeing what's on the other side. What do you guys think is on the other side of this path? Does Aiden know? Or does Aiden think he'll get eaten by some scary animals?
Mommy, I'm not afraid of anything.
I don't know. You walking like you're looking around looking for something.
Oh, a bird. What trail should we take? That one, or that one, or that one?
There's only one.
Oh.
Wait, look at this star. What the heck? That bird said toodaloo, 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 toodaloo. What is this star for?
Mommy, I'm talking to him.
Toodaloo, 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 toodaloo. Toodaloo, toodaloo, toodaloo. I think I just saw it. Toodaloo, toodaloo, toodaloo.
Right there.
Okay, so one thing that I noticed when I first moved to this area is that so many people in Rhode Island have these stars. And to be honest with you, I should have already looked it up, but I just always forget about it until I see another damn star. And here's another star. Like, what is up with that, Rhode Island? People have these stars on their homes. In the park?
Mommy, I don't know.
It's a butterfly. Look at this. Ah, look at that butterfly.
Wait, Mommy, I know what that type of butterfly is, but I just don't.
A monarch?
Yeah.
Is it?
Mhm.
I don't know that that's a monarch butterfly, but that's the butterfly name that I know.
Oh.
Look at this butterfly. Wow.
Mommy, don't get too close.
I gotta show them. Oh, wow. You see it on the camera?
It's close up.
Wow. It's swaying in the wind.
He said, ooh. Awesome leaf.
Okay,
Oh,
where are we?
Lamborghini. I think that was the one that CJ So Cool has.
That was not a Lamborghini. No, it wasn't.
That red car.
That was not a Lambo.
Mommy, this was a train track. But then they just...
So where do we come out at?
Oh, look in the
Look
back.
to your left. Wow, we are way over here.
Oh, how did we get over here? This is where the park is. How did we get all the way over here? That is awesome.
Is it a Lambo?
Yes, that's a Lambo.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that is a Lambo, Mommy.
Oh, snap. Ada was right.
Mommy,
I was like, that is not no Lamborghini over here at the park.
Mommy, why wouldn't a Lamborghini be at the park?
My son is gonna have a Lamborghini. That man in that Lambo was mad. I gotta play this back and see if I caught his big old Kool-Aid smile.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I did.
Oh,
Okay,
boy.
Aiden's gonna swim to the car. The car is
Oh, there's what?
right there. Aiden's gonna swim. All right, so come on.
I don't want to swim. I don't even know how to swim.
You don't know how to swim yet?
No.
Yeah, that's why you should have been learned. So you're gonna swim.
No.
I will meet you. I'm not
No.
swimming.
You're gonna swim.
I'm gonna meet you at the car.
Why do I have to swim?
When we get right next to the water, get in.
No. No.
What's the problem?
I don't know how to swim and that water is dirty. Ooh. No, I am not.
You do
going
not
in
need the water to be clean. Yeah, you do not need the water to
Fine.
be clean.
No. When we get over
Right next
over
to
there.
the swan, he'll tell you where to go.
All the way to the car?
Yeah, swim in the brown water.
Oh. I'd rather be Tarzan than swim in the water.
Be Tarzan.
Oh.
You did eat a banana earlier.
Huh?
You did have a banana earlier.
So I'm
Put your seatbelt on. So that concludes our day at the park. We're hungry now. Aiden wants smash burger,
which is so
but we're already here at the park where they have a whole bunch of options. So I want to just eat here.
I don't want to eat this food.
What do they have that you don't want to eat?
Pretty much nothing.
Ooh.
I want smash burger. That was so good.
You're the reason I got a weakness, though no. You drive me crazy.
Sometimes.
Yeah, that's my baby. Can't get enough of you.
Why?
Baby, it's the things that you do. Can't get enough of you.
Ah, my eyeball!
Baby, it's the things that you do.
I almost ripped my eyeball out.
But that, I'm just gonna give y'all that little clip it. That little clip, that little snippet. Clip it.
I almost took my eyeball out.
Clip and snip it. Clip it. Oh, my little baby boobop bear boobity beedop beedop bee doo boo doo boo doo boo doo bee dee bop. So anyway, guys, we just came back home. I did decide on what we're having for dinner, and we're gonna have Olive Garden because he wants a cheeseburger and french fries. I want real food. I want Sunday food, but I'm also not cooking today because I didn't take anything out. We've actually been out all day. So it's about to start raining. It's starting to drizzle, and we have to leave out in another 20 minutes to go back to do curbside pickup. I ordered online. So we are just going to wrap this up. Today was Veda day number 2, and we can check that off. because we have completed it. Well, I still have to edit it and then post it and then do everything else, but you get what I'm saying. So shout out to us for handling our 2 days of Veda so far. You know what I'm saying? Are you proud of us so far? We got day 2 down in the history books. But anyway, you guys, we are just gonna go in the house and wait for this food to be ready. So until my next video, peace, bye.